All right, we have Ruby in the house. Yeah, woo, 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 woo. 10K in the house. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. What was the biggest problem that you initially had in your business that drove the decision to join us?
Um, I was stuck in a business. I knew that I was helping people, but I wasn't feeling like I was helping enough people. I was helping a very small group of people. And I had been trying for probably 5 years before I joined COA to try to get into a training program or try to train people. I actually went through some training with people and lost them halfway. They it just disappeared and then nobody would show up. So, and I was like with coaching programs to get this going. It wasn't like I was trying to do it on my own at that time and still didn't get anywhere. And so it was just when I heard you on TikTok, it was actually
Clubhouse, probably not TikTok. Or was it?
no, not TikTok. No, 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 Clubhouse. I was
So
supposed to
Ruby.
listen to it. Yeah, no, no, sorry. Yeah. I was supposed to listen to it as a check out this because you're going to speak on it with this group. Well, the one call I did was with you,
Hmm.
and after that call, I really like I almost turned off on their stuff because it was like when you said, "Hey, you don't have to do all these things," I went, "Good," because I've never done them and I have no interest in
Hmm.
putting stuff on Facebook and doing all that. And that really attracted me because it's like everybody's been telling me I got to do all this stuff and I
Hmm.
to do this program at the same time and I wasn't getting it.
Hmm.
And so that's what really attracted me. And I made the call and he kept, even your call, the guy who was on the, I don't know who it is, it was like I had to explain to him that I am ready and am I really ready for this program? Are you really going to do this? Come on, like, why are you doing this? And I'm like, okay, yeah, I want to learn how to do that because, okay, fine. I said, just tell me what it is. Like, I don't even care.
But
Yeah.
it is so true though. Like it's value through in like inversion through minimal versus value through more. And I think today more than ever, so the majority still think that value is more, right? You need to do more, do more, do more. And we're in a world like, where there's just no space anymore for more, and no one can handle anymore. And so when you actually look at simplification and realize that actually you don't need loads, the minority that kind of get it, because it's not for everyone for sure. Um, it's just a much easier life. Did you have any like initial worries or concerns about joining or anything that you were worried about the investment?
No, I wasn't worried about the investment. I'd paid more for the last one. So that part wasn't, I was worried about making the money back for sure, fast enough. Um, and my life was really busy. I had a lot on my plate with a big family and a business that, I have team members and commitments that I,
Mm,
have to do. So that was all. But I think for for me, it was seeing the light at the end of the tunnel that this was possible. I did see that. I guess it was your confidence in that, right? Was
mm.
just you can do this. You can do this, right?
Yeah, 100%. What have you loved the most so far? Like sometimes people say the system itself, sometimes people say the funnel, sometimes they say the ads, sometimes they say the closer process, sometimes they say the support. If you were to pick, what would you say you've loved the most so far?
The most is the support. Yeah. I wouldn't even be sitting here with my program already started and selling it at all.
Hmm.
Like I wouldn't because I mean, yeah, the encouragement and support and definitely all like the calls you can hear the samples of what people are doing, right? So I guess that's all support.
Yeah, so support is one that we do really, really well in. Why do you think, again, not like throwing down shade on someone else's program, but why did it surpass what you'd done before? Just out of curiosity.
Um, I think it just seemed more real and it was more true. The other ways were you've got to do like a 3 day of like what we were being trained to was do a 3 day event to sell our
Mm,
product. And I just authentically couldn't get there. Like I couldn't get there. Like this is more simple and so we're learning to do it more simply. I'm trying to teach how to do so bookkeeping more
mm.
simply. Well, it
Yeah,
just they're
it's
trying to make it look harder and
yeah.
so you look smarter. Well, I think in the end, you don't look smarter. I
Mm,
loved the idea that was simplistic. And there was, I mean, there was a ton of learning for me to do in this because the tech thing was difficult. But honestly, like every time I had a tech thing, I could jump on a call and they would literally look at that. I've never had that ever,
mm,
right? That somebody would physically look at my stuff. It's always just give you the general so you can figure it out. You guys
mm.
were very specific. Like you read my stuff and you redid the words. You looked over. I've never had that in all the time
That's
that I
cool. That's amazing to hear.
yeah.
And we hear a lot like people go down on another program, and it tends to either be like or lots of organic or like a strategy that is just hard work or doesn't actually work or hasn't really been tested. And because we run it through our own offers, what we do, and so we're constantly looking at what's working in the market and refining what we're doing. Today there's really no quicker way. And last year we spent 360,000 testing just variational things that we could possibly bolt on, or what other people were saying could potentially be quicker in the market, so that we can validate what we do. So that's always awesome to hear, and the support, yeah, we love it. We love and we love being all over our clients. What would you say to someone that was on the edge of joining, that may be a bit apprehensive?
Honestly, I don't know. I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be honestly have done anything in this like in my program where I'm at if I hadn't have joined. And I've been telling some people already in my circles that they've got it. Like this is changing my world.
Mm,
And it's and although I'm still busy, I can see that it's simplifying it at the same time. So I know that even in my cracks of time that I have, I'm changing my life to be simpler, and I'm actually changing people's lives by teaching. And
yeah, for
that to
sure.
me is amazing because I'm finally teaching something that feels authentic. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And my husband was actually listening to a recording that I was doing like listening to my own recording of the program yesterday to just make sure it was all okay.
Yeah,
And he just said, "You're sounding a lot more confident."
that's good.
So that part definitely, like it gives you confidence. It gives you that ability to, well, and to have somebody supporting you. Like
Mm.
that's huge. Like this is a tough road when you're trying to do this stuff alone. How do you do it alone? You just can't.
Yeah, I mean, people don't. They just, again, they just, unfortunately today, they'll just watch different stuff online, think that that's enough, and then give it a little bit of a go, and then the majority don't make it work. So then the majority is sitting there saying it doesn't work, which it doesn't for the majority, because if you're going to try and build a social media audience, that's going to take 7 to 10 years. So that's, the majority of people going down that route genuinely are never going to ever start. And so the majority of people that actually want an online business are actually already in a job. And nothing wrong with that, but it's they sit on a sideline looking rather than actually doing. Because if they actually had to do it and get paid, they'd realize, shit, I can't actually rely on this. And so therefore the majority is still sustained by either something else, a partner, or just completely resided to that it can work for them, because they don't believe that they're good enough, when it's actually got nothing to do with whether they're good enough or not. It's just following the right path. But look, Ruby,
Well,
it
one of
doesn't
the
have
things I want to say
gone.
too is I've done a lot of different programs and I've seen a bunch of different ones and that weren't working. And this one is really authentic. I think that is the real difference for me, is I can stand behind it. It's true. And you guys give, like, it's not about being slimy. It's about being true and really listening. That's, I think, the biggest key.
Yeah, I like that. Again, like I've done this my whole life, so it's like it makes total sense for myself. Like we are coaches, we have coaching programs, and so the majority out there are businesses that only can help you have a business, and that's how they have a business. They're marketers, internet marketers, helping other people have a business. They make money by making you have a business. So it's like they've never actually had their own business outside of the get client space. So yeah, look, it makes total sense for us. Look, Ruby, give yourself a hand. Doesn't work without amazing people like yourself. Thank you for being an amazing client. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your wonderful journey. Let me pull up my screen. Let's get you sorted for your next steps.